This is Tina before, and this is Tina after. This is our rock star makeover because Tina has a rock star vibe. How did we get here? Let's find out today on The Beauty Shaman. I'm starting with a little transdermal C serum. This is 70% vitamin C. It's lipophilic, oil-soluble vitamin C is what that means. And it just brightens, it hydrates, it nutriates her skin. It really helps with that bright, dewy look that we're going for. I also add here a little brightening primer. Again, we're just making her skin look very translucent. And this is a bit of foundation. I've sheared this foundation out so it's not heavy. I do not like a heavy foundation look on mature skin. I really prefer it to look very dewy, very hydrated, and really show, show the skin. I don't want it to look heavy. Then I'm using a little MAC concealer. So as you can see, Tina has some darkness around her eyes like so many of us. And I wanted to take that darkness down a bit. But as you can see, I'm very precise about where I put it. I really do not like taking concealer and just smearing it all around your eye like you see so much on social media. I really prefer using it in precise locations. Now I know my hand is a little in the way here, but I put the concealer only where I need it and then I tap it in with my ring finger. Don't smear it everywhere. Really only use it where you need it. And in that way it looks very natural, but it also looks beautiful. It never looks overdone. And that's absolutely what I'm going for here. Now I'm tossing on just a little bit of powder because I don't want any of the other powder products that I'm going to use on her to smear. So I'm taking the shine down just a little bit and dusting this neutral, it's a little bit of a warm powder around her eye area and on different parts of her face, not all over. This is Bobbi Brown Medium Bronzer. So I like the redness in this bronzer for her skin color. I think she has a lovely warm skin tone. So I'm just using it on the high points of her forehead, a little bit under her cheekbones, not too heavy, and of course under the chin because we all want our chin to be a little bit more chiseled. That's just a thing that we like as women, but I'm careful not to put too much because I don't want it to thin her face out. This is called Groundwork. It's an eye base. Originally, I used this because I thought I was going to use a black eyeshadow, a powder shadow on her lid. I ended up using a cream black. Here it is. So I didn't really need that step, but I put it in here just so you could see the process. So this is called Black Mirror. This is a lovely cream black eyeshadow. I'm going for a Sophia Loren look here, as you can see. So I use a circular motion with this brush in order to apply it, in order to get it all over her lid, but not on her brow bone in an even way. So it doesn't look uneven. It's very, very rock star, very glamorous. Some of you would probably never wear this. Some of you would love to give this a try. I think it's on her, it's beautiful. Look at how much she loves that. And then she starts dancing, which I love. She dances throughout the video. She gets so excited. Now I'm using a black gel eyeliner. I wanted the line right next to her lashes to be especially thick and dark. Now I'm using some black mascara as well. I could have used some false lashes. I decided against it. I thought she had enough going on in her eye area. I didn't want to add false lashes to it. And I think it works just great with a couple layers of black mascara. This is me trying to decide which lip color I'm going to use, and I ended up on this one. It is a good 2 shades lighter than her skin. So I'm using the lip liner first here, and I'm going to make a kind of a Bridget Bardot lip on her. So I put this lip liner, it's called Cork, slightly outside of her natural lip line, and then I put the lighter lipstick in the middle. Now the trick to this look is you have to really blend it in with the lip liner, otherwise it looks like lipstick and liner as opposed to all softly blended together. She has nice lips, so I'm just making them a little bit fuller. Then I put a little lip gloss on top to give her that Bridget Bardot sexy lip look. Doesn't that look great? Now a little Melba blush. This is just a warm blush. The main focus is on her eyes, not the blush. So now I'm using a Chanel eyeliner in her waterline because I wanted, again, to really bring out that upper line of her eye and have that liner really stand out. And I'm taking that same pencil and I'm using it underneath between her lashes. And then I'm going to blend it in a little bit with an eyeshadow brush because I don't want it to look liney. I want it to look soft and smoky, very, very rock star. And she likes it. She went dancing after this. That's how much she liked it. Then we take her hair down, which we had pre-curled for this. And I think it looks so rock star and so beautiful. She had so much fun with this, with her fancy jewelry. I just loved it, and her tattoos and her funky necklace. Absolutely love this. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.